Hey, Kyle here, dryer vent guys. Dryer vent cleaning is necessary because lint debris builds up within your dryer vent system and it restricts the airflow, sort of like an artery gets restricted by plaque. And that restriction, that lint buildup, is flammable and can catch on fire. So additional aspects of that is, as it builds up, it reduces the dryer's performance. It can create blockages, which can create water damage, create a fire hazard, as well as cause premature dryer repair and replacement. So what's best is to actually get on a preventative maintenance schedule, cleaning plan, service plan, so that you stay up on it. Most places would recommend at least an annual cleaning. We offer 6-month, 9-month, or 12-month cleanings at a discounted rate, but whatever's best for you, we can accommodate. But you really want to stay on preventative maintenance, get it done at least annually in order to make sure you're staying up with that fire hazard.